Menteri ka Sarkar Jela bot Noyalam ke NPP Rakkam sangma ulong bay ki ain bat kirukom Rakkam la Thaw ha State Assembly bat umde haki Surok haba penrem ya ke jingdon benta jong ke seng WPP kabadon haliang persya ha ke Dorbar mang tengka kabadang syudap jong ke Jela usangma ulong bah ka por balong Dorbar kaladon ke jingduna bha na ke liang kinong yalam ke liang persya kum ke WPP kinshim benta haki jingyatai bat dia selok Ulapan kemauru ba kumno bau MLA ka WPP uba Adelbert Nongrum haba wanra ya kimat ya kren uklem yo ya kajing kersyan nala kijong ki MLA ka parti WPP.
For legislator, assembly is the forum. It's a right forum to discuss, debate and decide. It is not the street, right? So it is not the street, and whatever the boys whatever shouting in the street will not come to the documents, will not become the law and the rules. The rules and the law and the policy make on the floor of the house, not on the street. I think every legislator should know that the policy, the decision in the democracy, in the sovereign country like India, all things, good things must debate, discuss and decide in the floor of the house, not on the street. If there is any problem, if there is any issue, they should have taken up the matter. But this time, I have seen very least opposition members, including from BPP, has participated in the debate, the discussion, and the resolution. There is one point, there is one topic, one subject, which 100 members of the BPP was taken off in the assembly. But is it alone? There is nobody from his own party, neither substitute. Substantiate, not participate. So I don't know why they lost interest. They should have taken up the matter for the public interest, if there is any. That means in politics, this is testimony. This is the testimony.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center